What do you want from me? Yes?
My grandma wanted me to tell you that she missed you at Christmas.
Yeah, well, I couldn't have gone anyway. My mom was pissed about Thanksgiving.
Your mom is crazy. I'm scared of her.
She's not crazy. She just, she has a big heart. She's very warm.
I don't find your mother warm.
You don't?
No, well, no, she's warm, yeah, but she's also kind of scary.
Well, you can't be scary and warm.
I think you can. Your mom is.
You're gay.
Fuck me. Can you not tell anyone, please? I'm so sorry about everything. I'm so ashamed of all of it. It's going to be bad, and I just need a little bit of time to figure out how I'm going to tell my mom and dad and...
Don't worry. I won't tell. It's okay.
And do you have a support system?